Hey flawless skin gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Sele Kalio, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you a simple recipe that you can make at home to get a glowing glass skin. Now, in our previous video, which I'm going to link here for you to watch, I told you about 5 ingredients, or not ingredients, 5 tips on how to get glowing skin. Now in this video I'm showing you how you can make a product that will give you that glowing glass skin effect. Now if you want to see what this ingredient is and how to make this recipe, you want to watch this video till the very end. Website has all the ingredients that you would need for your skincare recipes and so many other things. Now before we go on to our video, let me just clear this out. Please, I do not have an assistant. I do not have 2 phone numbers. I have just one, and that's the one that is linked in my description bar. Please note that if you pay money to somebody else other than me, I can't be held responsible. I do not have a partner, I do not have an assistant. I work alone. Anybody who contacts you and says they are my assistant, please tell them Sele doesn't have an assistant. I do not have an assistant. I do not have a partner. I work alone. So that being said, we have stopped our training for the year because people are using the WhatsApp group to scam people, and I cannot tolerate that. So I have decided to stop the trainings and just concentrate on the ebook. Now if you want to buy the ebook, is in my description bar. It is very affordable. I have drastically reduced the price because I want everybody to participate and benefit from these teachings. So the price is now 5,000 naira from 25,000 naira. It is now 5,000 naira. So the ebook also comes with a video on how to formulate a skincare recipe and how to convert from percentage to grams. So you are not only getting the ebook, you're also getting a video. So if I were you, I would take this time to go and grab these ebooks right away. And you can buy from anywhere in the world. You can pay using your cards and you will be secured and safe. So you have no problem, no worries. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you will be notified every time there's a new upload coming from me. Hit the thumbs up button and leave me a comment in the comment section. Make sure you follow all my social media. Now without any further ado, let's move on to our business of the day.
Guys, I thought I filmed every part of this video, but obviously I didn't. Now you want to wash your rice about 4 times and then soak it for 3 hours. After that, you go ahead to pour your rice into your food processor. You can use your blender if you don't have a food processor. Now pour in your warm milk. Here I'm using coconut milk. You can use cow milk, goat milk, any kind of milk that you want. Here I am using coconut milk. Pop your lid on and then blend till your rice and milk turns into a paste. Now our rice and milk has blended. You want to drain your milk. Drain it with a mesh cloth, or you can use a strainer to strain out the liquid, and then Using a strainer will be less messy, so if you have a strainer, go ahead to use a strainer. Make sure your hands are properly cleaned if you are doing this method. Now we have our milk. Go ahead to pop it on the stove on very low heat. After which, take it off the stove, put it back in the plate, add your vitamin E capsule. I'm using 2 capsules. Add almond oil or any oil of your choice. Here I'm using Vit Gold multivitamin oil. Mix thoroughly. You can add glycerin if you want. This is optional. Mix again. Make sure all the oil is well mixed. And voila, here you have your rice face cream. You can use this on your body too. It is very good. You can use this as a scrub if yours comes out like mine. Because of my cloth, I couldn't strain out the water, so I just popped everything on the stove. So you can also do that and then use it as a scrub.
Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you try this recipe and it works for you, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram and also leave a comment on how this recipe works for you. But I bet you that you will be amazed at the results that you will get. Now, if you haven't subscribed up to this time, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please take this time to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you will be notified every time there's a new upload coming from me. And hit the thumbs up button, then leave me a comment in the comment section. Make sure you subscribe to my other channel. Don't forget, don't you forget. Hi guys, how you all doing? So if you're new here, welcome. I will get the bell, so I will be ringing that bell every time a new subscriber. Anytime I come here and say, if you're new here, welcome, I go clink, 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 clink. How do you see? What do you think? Anyways, I just wanted to, you know, so yes, training is over, the video is over, and thank you.